Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can completely delete a Discord server, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to delete a Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server that you want to delete. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name. And after tapping it, you will be directed to the server's profile. So now that you're on the server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And then go to Overview. And once you're on Overview, next, I want you to scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the Delete Server option. Just tap it to delete the server. And then Discord will ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete the server, so just tap yes to confirm it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now successfully deleted your Discord server. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.